Namaskar, welcome to Q for Quality channel. Today we will discuss how to plot histogram in Excel. I am having one example in which 50 observations are present. To calculate histogram, we have to calculate some of the parameters like mean, maximum value, minimum value, class interval and frequencies. Let us calculate it one by one. First, mean value is equal to average. Select all these 50 observations. Say enter. Now we will calculate the maximum value of all the 50 observations. Next we will calculate the minimum value of all 50 observations. Now we will calculate the class interval. To calculate class interval, open the bracket, maximum value minus minimum value divided by 9. 0.156 is the class interval. Let us calculate the frequencies and other width of the with respect to class interval. First class interval is, we will select the minimum value. Now each cell will be adding 0.156 till serial number 11. So now second cell will be 78.10 plus class interval. So third will be 78.26 plus class intervals. 78.26. Now we will add here dollar sign right. We will add dollar sign, enter. Now we will drag from 2 to 11. Total 11 class intervals are present from 78.10 to 79.66. Now we will calculate the frequencies. Formula for calculating frequency is select frequency, set data array, total 50 observations, comma, select these pin arrays. Now say enter. Frequency of 78.10 is 2. Now we have to calculate from serial number 1 to 11. Select all these cells, Control Shift enter. So our frequency is 2 to this one, 2, 4, 5, 13, 14. These are our frequencies. Now we have to draw the histogram. First select these frequencies, go to insert, select this 2D column. Our histogram is almost ready. In the horizontal axis you are seeing that serial number 1 to 11. Now we have to replace it with our class intervals. So right click on it, select the data, go to edit, select all these class intervals, say enter. Okay, now right click on the bar, add data labels, select data. These are the frequencies. In the histogram graph there should not be gap between these two bars. All the bars, there should not be any gaps. So we will remove the gap between the bars. Double click on this, then gap width maintained as 0. Then go to fill and line, set solid line, width as 1.25, color as you can select black color. Then again you double click on this graph, go to fill and line, you select vary color by point. So each column will be looking different color. So you can give different color to the values also. So now I will give as a red value, red color. Okay, I will increase the size of this x-axis. I will put the chart title as histogram. You can give horizontal and vertical axis. This is horizontal. I will select it and write it as width. Then I will select vertical axis. I will write here frequency. Okay, our histogram is ready now. Now we will read the histogram. Let us take 78.10. Frequency of 78.10 is 2. You can see here 78.10, 78.10. Now we will go to 78.26. It means there are 4 numbers between 78.10 to 78.26. Let us calculate it. 78.201, 78.202, 78.203, 78.204. There are 4 numbers in between 78.10 to 78.26. Let us calculate another one. 78.26 to 78.41. There are 5 numbers. 78.30, this is one number. 78.30, this is second number. 78.40 is third number. 78.30, this is fourth number. Then 78.40 is fifth number. Right? This is the way of reading the histogram. You can take another example like this one. We will take this one big example. 78.57 to 78.72. There are 14 numbers. Let us understand this. 78.60, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? I hope you understand this. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much and support us for growing further. Thank you very much.